Welcome to this video demonstration of Suzuki's satellite navigation system. So we're in a Suzuki SX4 at the moment, although this system is much the same across the Suzuki range. So first thing we're going to do is hit the button for navigation. Now you can see just there we've got a few options. We can simply have a look at the map, should we wish to, see exactly where we are right now, what direction we're facing, our elevation, so how far we are above sea level and what have you. Or we can go straight to navigating. So if we hit where to, we can input address, we can go home. So once we've saved our own address in there, that'll take us back to our home address. We can go to points of interest, recently found, anything we saved as favorite, or we can exit for service stations. So if we said points of interest, for example, and you knew that you needed fuel, we can hit the fuel option there and it will show us the closest to furthest away petrol stations from where we are now. So we've got Sainsbury's 0.1 of a mile away, BP 0.2 of a mile away. You know, if you knew you wanted an Esso, for example, you could select Esso and then just hit go and we would navigate to that Esso petrol station. Going back to there, if we hit where to and we put in address, which is most of the time what you'd be wanting to do, we can either spell town, spell postcode. So most of the time a postcode is going to be more than you could really need. You certainly would, it'd be a lot easier than putting in addresses. So you just type it in as you would on a keyboard. Once you've got the postcode that you want, you can select it on there and then hit go.
Take fourth exit to Clay Lane.
And the satellite navigation is now active and will take charge of exactly where you wish to go. If we go back to that home screen again, you can stop the current route. You can look at where am I, which will again show you on the map, or you can plan a trip. So you can create a trip for a later journey. The whole system ultimately is very, very easy to use. It's very self-explanatory. Really good system, very, very clear screen as well. If you'd like to come and try it out for yourself, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We would be more than happy to demonstrate this to you firsthand.